Hey there, listeners. It's another day on Play Eat for What, and I'm thrilled to dive into something that's been stoking the curiosity of scientists and dreamers alike for years: the possibility of life on Mars. When I was a kid, I used to lie on my back in the backyard, staring up at the stars. Those twinkling lights seemed like tiny mysteries, each holding stories of distant worlds. And Mars, with its reddish glow, felt like the most intriguing mystery of them all. What if there was life up there? Let's start with a little journey in our minds. Picture Mars, a reddish, dusty planet with landscapes that might remind you of the most arid deserts on Earth, but with its own alien charm. Imagine standing there and feeling the dry wind brushing past, a soft whisper from a world millions of miles away. The sky might appear a butterscotch color during the day, and at night, the stars wouldn't twinkle quite the same way they do from Earth. There's a kind of stillness there, a natural quiet that makes you wonder what secrets lie beneath that rusty surface. For years, scientists have been sending missions to Mars, hoping to peel back the layers of mystery one by one. Maybe you've heard about the rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, tirelessly exploring the Martian terrain. These robotic explorers are like our virtual eyes and hands, picking up bits of rock, analyzing the soil, and sending data back to Earth so we can piece together the story of Mars. Now, what's most exciting is the search for signs of life. What do we mean by life? Are we talking about little green men with antennas? Not quite. Here we're looking at the possibility of tiny microscopic forms of life similar to bacteria. You see, scientists believe that long ago Mars might have had conditions similar to early Earth, maybe even oceans. And where there's water, there's a possibility of life. The search for life involves looking for things called biosignatures. These are clues that life might be or might have been present. Think of it like being a detective searching for fingerprints at a crime scene. But in this case, the crime scene is Mars, and the fingerprints are chemical or biological hints left behind by life forms. One place that captures a lot of attention is Jezero Crater, the current playground for the Perseverance rover. This place is fascinating because it looks like it once had a lake. Imagine a vast body of water teeming with potential. If life ever existed on Mars, this could be where it left its mark. What's more, scientists have found intriguing signs like methane in the Martian atmosphere. Methane can be produced by geological processes, but on Earth, a large amount of it is produced by living organisms. Could this be a sign of life beneath the surface? It's a question that keeps researchers up at night, dreaming of the possibilities. Thinking about life on Mars often makes me wonder about the broader idea of life itself. What is it that makes life so special? Is it the simple ability to grow and multiply, or is it something deeper? Maybe life at its core is about the stories that form, the connections we make, and the curiosity that drives us to explore the universe. Even if we find only the tiniest, most basic life forms on Mars, it could change everything we know about the very essence of life and our place in the cosmos. In a funny way, thinking about Mars makes me think of my own backyard as a kid. When you strip away all the technological wonders of rovers and spacecraft, the core of our exploration remains that same childlike wonder, the urge to reach out and touch the unknown, to discover and learn. It's like we're all part of a grand adventure, each of us a little astronaut in our own right, exploring the vastness of the universe from our perch here on Earth. As we wrap up, remember that the quest to find life on Mars is not just about science. It's a journey about understanding ourselves, the universe, and the fundamental question of whether we are alone. Each discovery, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to answering that question. So next time you look up at the stars, maybe you'll see Mars, and remember that it holds not just the potential of life, but also the limitless possibilities waiting to be unveiled. Thanks for joining me today on Play Eat for What. Keep your eyes on the skies and your heart open to the mysteries they hold. Until next time, keep exploring.